Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to this video. This is Siavash, your host, signing in. Today we want to learn about the letter T, which is the equivalent of the letter T in Persian. T is very similar to the letter B and T in terms of writing and how it's going to look like in a sentence or word. Basically, just like the and T has four shapes. It has the original shape, which you're making the base for your letter, using from top to bottom in the first step, right to left on the second, and on the third step, you're doing from bottom to top. The only difference that T has from B and T, it has two dots. Remember, B had one, T had three. B, on the other hand, has two letters, and it's going to be on top. And those are going to be the fourth and the fifth step. And just like usual, they have to be visible and clear in the naked eye. The beginning shape is from top to bottom and then right to left, because they're going to be connected into another letter. And they have again two dots on the top, which are clear and visible with the naked eye. The middle shape will have a peak in the middle, but has come from right to left, and it's kind of a continuous way to connect that letter. It's right to left, bottom to top, top to bottom, and then right to left again. And you have two dots after that third step on the letter T. The ending shape that is connected is a very similar case. It's just at the end of that right to left, you have to go bottom to top. And then two dots again. Let's see what T has examples as words. We have the word toot, toot, toot. Toot means berry in Persian. Now I use mulberry because that's what the Google says. But technically berry means toot because toot is used in some other fruits that we have in Persian as the supporting word for that fruit. For example, you have the word strawberry in Persian, which you'll use toot farangi to refer to strawberry. Other words like blackberry, blueberries, they're going to use the word toot and. I just don't know the exact word for them, but it's going to be very similar to what toot is. And then you have another word, ishtirak. Ishtirak really matters what it means, and is ish, tarak, ish, tarak. Think about ish as in the word Ishmael, and in tarak as the word truck. It just you don't really emphasize on the T a little bit in ishtirak, compared to what you do in shrub. And also, there's an E instead of just TR as you use in shrub. Ishtirak has different meanings depending on how you use it. It's also a very formal word version to use because it also means subscription. If you buy a subscription from YouTube, if you join as a member on the channel, if you start following it, that actually means ishtirak. It also means on you go with credit cards, you go to stores, and you buy a subscription, like a monthly subscription to be. Ishtirak means that. If they figure, hey, you subscribe to us or buy a membership, that's the word they would use in Persian. Ishtirak. Buy our subscription. Otherwise, I hope you learned something from you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you in the next one. This is Yavash, your host, signing out.